Okay, and that brings us to the final factor I wanted to discuss, which was a surprising one that I had not been aware of before I did the research for this video. It is a risk of developing autism spectrum disorder and all neurodevelopmental disorders that is associated with sunlight exposure, although in this case, it's lack of sunlight. One of the things that we have seen is that, particularly in folks under the age of 40, the rate of going outside and getting regular sun exposure has plummeted since the beginning of the pandemic. And we have compelling research showing that vitamin D deficiency, which can occur when you don't get enough ultraviolet B radiation, is a significant factor in inhibiting normal neural development and may well contribute to the development of autism spectrum disorder. Additionally, we have found that long wave infrared light readily penetrates the human body. This is also a type of radiation that is produced by the sun. It does not readily penetrate the atmosphere when the sun is at a somewhat oblique angle to the earth, and thus the more northern and southern latitudes don't get this type of light penetrating very readily in large amounts to the surface of the earth during the winter months. But this light will penetrate clothing, it will penetrate the body and the maternal abdomen. And we now have animal studies that show that this kind of light stimulates the production of a specific type of melatonin inside the energy producing organelles in our human cells called mitochondria. And this type of melatonin is protective against oxidative stress.